Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to demonstrate how to make and break a fitting. To get started, you'll need a properly sized Tylok tube fitting, clean deburred tubing, 2 appropriately sized wrenches, or in this demonstration, 1 wrench and a vise. Before installation, always inspect your components for damage, dirt, or debris. First, make sure the tubing is cut square, free of burrs, and clean and dry. A smooth, square cut ensures proper ferrule engagement and a reliable seal. Now let's make the fitting. Step 1. Insert the tubing fully into the fitting body until it bottoms out against the shoulder of the part. Step 2. Finger tighten the nut onto the fitting body. Step 3. Using the vise and wrench, hold the fitting body steady and tighten the nut. For most Tylok tube fittings, tighten the nut 1 1/4 turns past finger tight. This action drives the ferrules onto the tubing, creating a strong mechanical grip and a leak-tight seal. Once tightened, the fitting is now properly installed and ready for service. Be sure to use the gap gauge for the initial installation, but do not use it for reassembly. To use the gap gauge, follow these steps. Once your fitting has been tightened, take the gap gauge and try to slide it between the nut and the shoulder of the fitting body. If the gauge doesn't fit, your fitting is properly tightened. That means you've got the correct seal and your connection is secure. If the gauge does fit, that means the fitting isn't tight enough, and that can lead to leaks or other issues down the line. Now let's look at how to safely break the fitting. Before loosening, always depressurize the system and verify there is no trapped fluid or gas. Safety first. Mark the location of the nut with reference to the body before disassembly. Next, use the wrench to loosen the nut. Turn the nut counterclockwise until it is fully disengaged. Once loosened, slide the nut and ferrules back to inspect the tubing. Check for proper ferrule placement, no cracks or deformation, and clean sealing surfaces. When reconnecting a previously made fitting, insert the tubing back into the fitting body until it bottoms out. Tighten the nut until it reaches the original pull-up position. Then tighten slightly, about 1/4 turn, to ensure proper resealing. After installation or reassembly, always verify alignment, check for proper torque, pressure test when possible. These steps help ensure long-term performance and system safety.